Are you a carpenter who always seeks a hassle-free way to complete every project? If so, then you must keep a bunch of tools before heading to the job site. So buckle up, as we're going to show you some woodworking tools that you will surely need while taking on any day-long wood project. First, a carpenter needs a reliable solution to carry all his essentials. That's where this Badger side-by-side carpenter's belt bag comes in handy. It's a must-have item for professionals because it has enough versatility to serve you well throughout most phases of woodworking, from framing to finish work. It also comes with a tape pouch, 5 tool slots, an outside pouch, and a hammer sleeve. Furthermore, you'll get nail set slots, speed square slot, outside pouches, and reinforced bar slots on this belt bag. This side-by-side carpenter bag is almost 14 inches long, meaning you'll get ample storage space for your tools and accessories. Okay, you've chosen the bag, but what's the first thing you need to keep in it? Well, it's a pair of work gloves. A woodworker often encounters hand injuries while on a busy job site. If they wear these CLC 125 gloves, things will be more manageable and safer. These work gloves are made with synthetic leather, which makes them tough and resistant to shrinking or hardening. These gloves are ideal for outdoor woodworking tasks where they may come into contact with moisture. The concealed inner stitching prevents the gloves from snagging on wood or metal. Additionally, the wing closing strap ensures that the gloves stay securely on your hands even when they get wet from weather or sweat. Professional carpenters have a saying, measure twice, cut once. So after the gloves, you must pick a reliable tape measure for your project. From our end, we'll recommend you to take the Recon T1 Tomahawk digital tape measure because this tool is so easy to operate and provides absolutely precise results. The professional grade tape measure is designed to help tradespeople collect measurements faster and with improved accuracy. It features a live view OLED display that digitally shows measurements in both English and metric units. With just a click of a button, you can save the results on a side-mounted e-paper display and transmit them via Bluetooth or connected devices. This tool simply revolutionizes the way you used to take measurements before. Now here's a ruler for every commercial carpentry project. This is the K-Pro 353 Legit Square. This tool is made with woodworkers in mind. Its versatility and woodworking specific features make it a valuable asset in any woodworking project. The square boasts a retractable LED support that allows for convenient hands-free use, providing stability while you work. The stainless steel ruler with its permanent gradations ensures long-lasting accuracy, enabling precise measurements. The ruler further facilitates woodworking tasks with its angle marking holes and openings for parallel pencil markings. Crafted with a durable aluminum cast handle and mild surfaces, this square guarantees both durability and precision in your woodworking endeavors. Aside from a ruler, another necessary measuring tool a carpenter needs is the angular bevel gauge, especially when the project involves replicating angles accurately. So check out the Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge. This is a practical tool for various applications such as laying wooden floors and building furniture. It provides a convenient way to measure angles and transfer them accurately to the workpiece. Additionally, you can use this tool as a scratch gauge for marking parallel lines, further enhancing its versatility. Its folding stop allows for easy positioning on the workpiece, enabling precise markings of angles or parallel lines. The gauge also features a scale on the moving leg, providing a reliable reference for marking parallel lines accurately. Without a single cut, no woodworking project can be completed. And if it's a new project, you must have the best solution for cutting, and that's why we kept a circular saw on our list. The Makita GS-R01 is a 7/4 inch cordless circular saw that features a Makita-built brushless motor and delivers an impressive cutting speed of up to 6400 RPM. Plus, it allows you to adjust the cutting speed with automatic torque drive so you can get optimal performance. With a decent cutting depth, this saw can easily tackle thicker lumber in a single pass. The saw's ergonomic design ensures user comfort, and the lighter weight of 1.5 pounds compared to corded models reduces fatigue during extended use. This circular saw is the go-to choice for professionals seeking reliability, power, and efficiency in their cutting tasks. After cutting all those thick lumbers, don't you think they'll need to be trimmed to the right shape? Yes, you will. So rather than wasting time and effort on the traditional method, you better go with the Trend T7ELK110V router. This tool will help you create decorative edges, smooth curves, and intricate patterns. With a 50mm plunge depth, it's ideal for various woodworking projects like shaping worktops, jointing, smoothing tough edges, and all. The T7 ELK router also offers 6-level variable speed control, allowing precise adjustments for woods of different thicknesses. Meanwhile, the ergonomic design includes inclined handles with integrated power triggers and soft grip molding, ensuring comfort and reducing fatigue during extended use. Professionals who want to enhance the aesthetics of their woodworking projects can rely on this router for the needed outcome. You just cannot call yourself a carpenter without knowing what hammer you should use. Because hammering is such a task, you just can't skip on a wood project, no matter if it's commercial or DIY. Keeping that in mind, Vaughan designed this framing hammer. This sturdy tool is built to withstand the test of time, making it a reliable option for years to come. It excels not only in hammering tasks but also in nail extraction and board reclamation. With its 19-ounce weight, smoothly swept claws, unique striking face and sturdy handle, you can work comfortably and efficiently. One of its standard features is the large striking face, which minimizes the risk of missed strikes and accidental damage. Additionally, the magnetic nail starter adds convenience to your workflow. You may be wondering how this small tool can help you in those extensive wood projects. Well, you'll love to use it after a while. Why? Let us explain. This Bosch Go is a versatile and efficient cordless screwdriver that enhances the woodworking experience. The best part of this tool is its compact design. It also features an electronic brake that ensures precise control and immediate stopping after deactivation, making it perfect for delicate woodworking tasks. Thanks to the dual activation mode, allows for quick and easy startup, whether by pushing the tool or pressing the button. And the mechanical clutch with 5 torque settings enables fine adjustments for various woodworking applications, ensuring all your screwing tasks get done with needed precision. After completing the whole construction, a carpenter should wisely sand the surface to make it look perfect. To complete the process with utmost stability, you must have a sander in your hands. Meet Milescraft 1621 Edge Sander, a handy tool specifically designed for sanding 2 rough edges simultaneously. Its unique V-groove surface allows for sanding both edges of boards ranging from 1/4 inch to 1.5 inches in width. The tool features an ergonomic shape, ensuring a comfortable grip and enabling consistent and accurate pressure application. It's compatible with any standard 5-inch sanding disc with hook and loop backing. And it comes with 150 grit sandpaper included. This versatile tool is perfect for efficiently finishing veneer or laminate projects while also being suitable for a wide range of edge sanding tasks. Well, your project has been completed, but you are left with a dusty job site. What if you get such a tool that makes the cleaning process hassle-free? Get your hands on the Ryobi Job Site Vacuum. This versatile tool offers 3 times more suction power to capture the wood shavings, drywall dust, and debris on the job site. It also comes with 3-in-1 capability, functioning as a handheld vacuum, stick vac, and stationary cleaner with included accessories. The extension wand and floor nozzle are perfect for cleaning debris in stick vac mode, while the crevice tool easily tackles tight spaces. It also features a large hose that provides needed flexibility in stationary mode. Plus, the HEPA filtration traps up to 99.9% of dust and allergens, gifting you a neat workspace in no time. So that was a video of woodworking tools that are on another level. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.